self-paced courses won't get you a job. Hello, my name is Juby, co-founder at Yellowtail, where we help people with no IT background get their first high-paying IT job. So today I want to talk about how self-paced courses won't get you a job. Self-paced programs are not designed to help you switch into a new career in IT. And let me explain you why. 90% of self-paced courses are not completed. And it's because it's usually cheap, there's no real investment, there's no real impact. For example, Linux Academy, by the way, great platform. There's no real incentive to complete these courses. It's inexpensive enough, sometimes we even forget we have those memberships. We've all been there. We tend to pay for inexpensive memberships. 2 years down the line, we realize that we've been paying for them and we take no advantage of them. It's because there's no real incentive and there's no real urgency. And even the 10% of people who actually complete these courses are stuck because there is no real support of any sort after the fact. Because like I said in my other videos, it is essential to have additional support that starts after the training to actually help you accomplish what you came to do in the first place, which is get training to be able to get a job into IT. And the fact that it's self-paced is sometimes the problem. Most of us, we need accountability, we need community, we need a finite timeline to be working towards. And most importantly, we need a proven framework to work within. And self-paced courses are not designed for that. So platforms like Cloud Guru, they deliver exactly what they promise, which is great technical training. If you notice one thing, they never promise any kind of support after the fact. It's because this is not their business model. But if you're looking for a framework designed to take you from zero to job ready and help you break into IT, check us out at yellowtail.tech to see what we're about. Look around. If it looks like a good fit, schedule a career strategy session with our team and let's talk about it. And of course, if you got any value out of this, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos like this one.